Welcome back to another SimpleVoIP University tutorial. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to create and update voicemail boxes in SmartPBX. We'll start by logging into SmartPBX via the SimpleVoIP portal. Once in the dashboard, navigate to the Voicemail Boxes tab from the left-hand side of the dashboard options. You will see a default voicemail box. To make changes to the default voicemail and other voicemail boxes, click the wrench icon to the right of the box. Here, you'll be able to change the name, number, and PIN number of the voicemail box. If you navigate to the Advanced tab and select Options, you can change the time zone, media extension type, and adjust the following options. If you click back into the Advanced tab, you'll be able to select recipients to be notified via email when a voicemail is left, as well as add and change greeting media options. To create a voicemail box, we recommend adding it from the User Features. To do this, select the Users tab, find a user, and select User Features. Next, navigate to the Voicemail Box button and select it. Enable the voicemail box. Once you enable the voicemail box, you'll see an option for voicemail to email and transcribe messages. Enable these features if you want voicemail messages to be sent to this user's email address, which can be found in User Credentials. If you select the box to delete messages from the database after sending the notification, the voicemails are only accessible from the email account, as it will be removed from the physical phone itself. This is a great way to avoid a full voicemail box on the relevant device. If you leave the box unchecked, then the voicemail can be checked, saved, or deleted from the phone and the email. After saving your changes, you'll see the new voicemail box appear in the Voicemail Boxes tab, where you can manage it, make changes, or delete it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to SimpleVoIP support for assistance. We'll see you in the next SimpleVoIP University training tutorial.